how to disable iPhone call notifications on iPad. So if you're using an iPhone and you have an iPad, such that each time you have an incoming call on your iPhone, then you receive the notification on your iPad, then you can easily discontinue this function on your iPad. So here basically, I am going to show you how you can easily turn off calls notifications on iPad from your iPhone. So if I don't know this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. All you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. Now, once you open the settings app, the next thing is you want to go ahead and open the phone app. If you're using iOS 17 or earlier, on iOS 18, you just need to scroll down the page, locate apps, scroll down as well, keep scrolling until you get to the phone app, and then click on it. Now, once you selected the phone app, scroll down the page until you get to calls. You see that? Now, under calls, locate calls on other devices, and then click on that. If calls on other devices is turned on like this, you're going to have your iPad and any other device you have connected the same iCloud account your iPhone is connected to. In this case, I have my iPad. If you have your Mac connected to the same iCloud account, you have the Mac underneath here. Now, to turn off your iPhone calls notifications on your iPad, all you just need to do is disable this. You can just let this be. If you want to allow these calls to come to other devices you have underneath allow calls on, for instance, your Mac. But if you want to keep your incoming calls or call notifications on your iPhone alone, just go ahead and disable allow calls on other devices. And then once that is disabled, then you're good to go. That is going to turn off calls notification from iPhone on your iPad. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.